Value error, invalid literal for int, with base 10 error message typically indicates that you are trying to convert a string to an integer using the int function, but the string cannot be converted to an integer. The error message specifically refers to the base argument of the int function, which specifies the base of the input string. The default value of the base argument is 10, which means that the input string should be in base 10, i.e., decimal. If the input string is in a different base, you need to specify the correct base. For example, if you are trying to convert the string 1010 to an integer using the int function, you can specify the base as 2 because the string represents a binary number. If the input string cannot be converted to an integer, you will get the value error. In this case, the input string, hello, cannot be converted to an integer in base 10 because it is not a valid integer representation.